Most of you are familiar with the term lipstick on a pig. Now, if we look up that term in Wikipedia, here's the definition that we find. A rhetorical expression used to convey the message that making superficial changes is a futile attempt to disguise the true nature of a product. That particular definition fits very well with about 80% of the flip houses on the market today. And in this video, we're going to examine exactly why that's the case and why this definition fits so well. Hi folks, it's Jim Davis. Last week I inspected a house for a young couple that was a flip house. And most of you know what a flip house is. That's a house that's been purchased by an investor, and they've renovated or rehabbed that house and offered it up for sale. Now, this couple and the agent didn't know how to recognize a flip house. And I will tell you, there are 4 things you'll find in a flip house. Every single time, the hundreds I've inspected, you will always see these 4 items. 1 is it will have granite countertops. 2, it will have stainless steel appliances. 3, it'll have new floor covering throughout the house. And 4, it will be painted. There's a 90% chance if you walk into a house with all those items that it is a flip house. You should be very careful about proceeding with that. And here are the 3 things that the rehabbers will not do anything about. And you can see these things up front when you look at the house. Is 1, they won't replace a roof. A roof's one of those items that's very expensive. They seldom ever put it in their budget to replace the roof. They'll patch it, but they won't replace it. The second is the structure of the foundation itself. This can usually be found when you open up the attic access ladder and you look up into the attic space, and you'll find the framing members are starting to separate, they're starting to pull apart, or there are cracks in the foundation when you walk around the outside of the house. Investors will seldom ever repair a foundation on a house. The third one is the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. They will get that system to work, but they seldom ever replace any part of it. Now, all 3 of those items, the roof, the foundation, the structure, and the HVAC, are very expensive. There is probably no likelihood that you as a home buyer will be able to negotiate with that investor to purchase that house and have those items replaced. Investors always, in flip house situations, always go for the things that you will notice that look very good, make the house look great. Countertops, stainless steel appliances. They will not address the things that they hope you won't pay attention to, which are the roof, the foundation, HVAC system. So before you put a contract down on a flip house, take these things into consideration. I would look more on the retail side and forget about the flip house side. So anyway, hopefully that helps somebody to avoid paying a home inspector or putting up earnest money on a flip house that you probably in the end will not end up buying. If you're in Houston and I can ever help you with inspecting a home, purchasing a home, give me a call at 832-978-9012. Be happy to help you. Visit our website aboutthehouse.com, and I'll see you at the house.